Welcome. Today we will see quiz on child safety online. Right, you can go to this site katsupoint.com and can find play, and there is quiz child safety online part 1. You can find the link in description also. Also there are other games also, and other more games will be added for learning purpose, right? So here is the quiz. First, here is the question, right? And there are 4 options, right? Teach your kids, right? By playing this quiz game. You met random person in online chat. He or she says, I live near to your home, can we meet? Right? So what will be your reply? No, I must never meet anyone with whom I talked online in chat. Oh, they live near to me, let's meet and make new friends. Let's call them to my house. I'm confused what to do. So for this, we will go with no, I must never meet anyone, right, with whom I talked online in chat. Click. It's correct. Now next question. Someone sent you friend request whom you have never met, never talked face to face, do not know much detail about them, right? You don't know the person, but they sent you friend request. Now, she is so beautiful, let's accept, right? Kid boys make this mistake a lot, right? Accepting friend request of random person in internet is a stupid thing. Never do that. He is so handsome, let's accept. Wow, let's accept it and increase my follower, which will increase my likes and comments too, right? Increasing your likes and comments does nothing, right? So we must move with accepting friend request of random person in internet is a stupid thing. Never do that. It's correct. Someone sent you message or commented in your post, blog or video, right? They sent you message or commented in your content and said, your dad is my close friend, can you give me your number or dad's number, right? So someone is asking your number or your dad's number by sending you message or by commenting in your post, blog or video, right? Dad's close friend. Okay, here is the number, write it and send or post it. So you think that okay, he is the dad's friend, let's send the number, right? You might think like that. That is wrong. No, not in public posts. Please send me message and I'll give number. Now in this case, you are asking to send message, right? And you are saying that I can't give it in public post, right? It means that you are ready to give the number, right? This is also wrong. I'm not fool, so I'm not giving away number to anyone. Those who are really close to me and my dad will get number by other means. I'm not giving it, right? Don't give it. Next question. Someone called you in phone and said your social media account is qualified for bicycle contest. If you win, you will get new bicycle delivered to your home. To participate, I need your account's password for once. Later you can change it, right? Don't fall for this scam, right? I am super kid. I'm not going to share or give my password to anyone. I'll keep it secret and strong. Never give password to anyone, right? Wow, you got my number and called me, so nice. Okay, here is the password. Don't do this, right? Don't do this. I think this is fake contest. How can I verify that this is real contest? After verifying, I will give my password, right? If the contest is real, genuine, right, then also you are not allowed to give password. Don't give password in any case, right? Dad and mom never listen to me. They will never buy me a cycle. Let's join this content. Let's check lock. Let's give them password. Don't do that. You should go with this first option. I am super kid. I'm not going to give or share my password to anyone. Never give password to anyone. Someone called you in phone and said, I am from internet repair department. Your mom called us in morning and said there is internet issue. our team is coming to fix the issue. Right now your mom is not receiving call, she might be busy, so can you please tell us where to come exactly, and are you available there right now or some other people around you to assist us? Look, are you available there right now, right, or some other people around you to assist us, right? They might ask you more other questions, right? For example, to verify whether there are other peoples or not around you, something like that. Now see the option, oh, I was sure that internet issue is not fixed still. These guys are terrible, always internet issue. Okay, let's give them address so that they can come and fix internet. Don't do this, right? Ask your mom at first, right? Ask your mom whether she called the internet repair department or not. Your internet is bad, I will tell my parents to change it. Glad sir you called. Okay, here is the address, and no one is around me right now. Or yes, there is my sister here in home, dad is in office, mom gone in market. Don't give any information. Don't tell anything in the phone. Hang up the phone if you are alone and immediately inform your dad, mom, brother or someone close to you, relatives, and inform them about the call. But if someone is right there, then give phone to them and ask them to talk with those guys. Do not share your location and do not tell them who is around you, right? Let's go with this one. You met someone with same age as yours in online chat, right? He or she talks so sweet. They want your number and address, right? Never give phone number and address to unknown people or people who you never met in real life. So sweet. Okay, be my friend. Making friends is good thing. Here is my number and address, right? Give your number and address. Ask their number and address too, right? So the right answer is never give phone number and address to unknown people. In internet, someone said, you are so cute, beautiful. Can I see your other pictures? Can you send me more pictures? I will upload it to my famous site and you will be famous too, right? This might be your biggest trap, right? For leaking your images, right? Private images. So I will be famous after my pictures gets uploaded to their site. I can show my pictures to my friends so when they upload to their site, right? This is a kind of show-off type thinking, right? Don't do that. Do not send pictures to anyone in internet world. Think why are they asking pictures. Think why they said they will make you famous. This may be serious trap. Avoid sending pictures. Never do that, right? I do not have pictures right now. I will shoot best pictures, edit it, and I will send it to you. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, right? This is not any opportunity. This is just a trap. I am online. It means you are online, and random unknown person or known person sends a threat message to you, right? Like they will leak my private pictures and videos, your private pictures and videos, right? They are saying that, and they have recorded it by hacking your phone or PC, right? They might say that I hacked your phone, your smartphone, right, or PC, then I got those pictures, videos. They might tell that, right? Your life will be damaged. They might say this also. So to avoid this, they ask money from you, or they ask you to meet them in person. What will you do, right? What to do when this kind of scenario occurs in online chat or in internet world? OMG, they got my private pictures and videos. I must meet them and request not to upload those things online. Or okay, I am ready to give some money to them. Let's manage money. Reply and request them, please sir, do not upload those pictures and videos of mine. I am a school children, my life will be damaged, please sir, right? Next one is, as soon as threat message or rough message comes to your account, immediately tell or show that to your parents. Do not reply such message on your own, right? Immediately call your dad or mom or your any relatives near to you and show that message, right? Let them handle the situation. Do not reply on your own, right? You are playing online game, right? Someone in game is using very bad words and irritating you, right? Someone is using bad words and irritating you. They are calling your name and speaking rough words to you. What must be done now? Right? You are playing the game and this happens. If possible, turn off the mic and call your parents or adult around you and let them handle the situation. Do not involve in replying back rough words. Throw back some rough words on them. Why fear? Right? You might think like this, right? Stop playing games for now. Play it later. Leave the game going, right? Okay, this is also fine here, right? Stop playing games for now. Play it later. Leave the. This is also fine, but if possible, do this. If the mic is turned on, turn it off, and call your parents or adult, and so that, right? Let them handle the situation. Don't involve in replying back rough words, right? Your one classmate sent funny pictures of another classmate to more than 10 friends. But another classmate who is in the picture do not like this picture to be shared and he is worried. What needs to be done now, right? So your classmate is being worried about his picture being shared and he don't like that, right? Ask them not to forward picture to more and delete picture immediately. Also inform teachers in the school about incident. Share picture to another friend. Let's make fun of him. It is being done just for fun. Do not worry, right? So don't do that. Never. Ask them not to forward the picture, right? Delete the picture immediately and also inform teachers in the school about the incident. You are going to sign up, register, right? You are going to create an account in some website, right? Your password should be, right, easy to remember like your name, right? Your password should be easy to remember like your name, or it must be like your school name, or it must be combination of random letters, symbol and number. Easy to remember your address or home phone number, right? It should be combination of random number, random letters, symbol and number, right? That will be a strong password. You are angry with your parents. You went to your room and started using social media of your choice. You posted status, I hate my life, or something else, right? Friends started commenting. What happened? Do not worry, I am with you. Someone asked you what happened. Someone told you do not worry. Someone told you I am with you, right? And seeing those comments, you are now happy, right? Is this a good step? Now let's see. Third one. Yes, it is good step. I was feeling down and those comments from my friends made me happy, right? My friends are so caring and loving. I must share everything about my feeling with them, right? No, never, right? Is this a good step? No, never. The much love and the much care you get only from your parents, no one other. And the most important, if you are hating something about yourself or about your parents or about your family, immediately tell it to your parent, right? Dad, mom, brother or sister. Do not go online to post about it, right? So posting these things, right, in social media shows the backside of your life, right? What is really going on in your life, right? Something bad is going in your life, don't post in the social media. Ask help from your parents. You signed up to certain site and uploaded your pictures without shorts, right, to get more views and likes, or it might be followers. But after some time you found that your pictures are being used by other members in the site, right? So might be they downloaded the picture and they started to uploading it as a profile picture or some kind of post, right, or some kind of meme, something like that. Now you got the feeling that you did mistake, right? What to do now? You are without shorts. Now you cannot share this instead with your parents. Call your friends and ask support, right? You must inform this incident to your parents. Do not fear, do not afraid, do not feel guilty. Just inform to adult as soon as possible. They will take action against it and try to solve the issue. Just sign out from the platform or delete your account if possible. Doing this will not delete your pictures which are being used by other members. Go to each profile and ask them to delete your picture. The best answer will be this one. Immediately inform your parents about that, right? Do not fear, do not afraid, do not feel guilty. Okay, we solved it. Excellent, super kid. Repeat and play each week. See you. Thank you very much for watching.